Hello everyone, welcome to Twins Affair. Our today's topic is very special for parents who are home with their children. If you are watching us for the first time, click on the subscribe button to get regular updates. Our today's topic is how to manage children during online school. These are the tips for parents who are helping their children learn online. In these challenging times, many of us parents suddenly seems to be a teacher as well. But don't worry. If you don't know much, there's a plenty you can do to support your children's learning routine and keep it going. There are a lot of ideas online or fun activities you can do with children. Our first and very important tip is set a routine or make a timetable. Children like and need a routine. If your child is at home, create a schedule of the day. Give them a timetable and explain what they are going to do every day. Don't let them stay on bed all day. This is a very important tip for all the children, whatever age they are. But this needs to be managed well, otherwise you'll do bunch of activities for a week very fast and then run out of ideas and energy. So here are our tips. Second in a sequence is explain what online sessions are. Hopefully school has sent you relevant information. Explain and make them understand that their friends are also taking part in it. Before the session, make sure child has all the necessary required items handy or ready with them. Our next is the most important of all. Get kid ready for class or their online session. For younger children especially, make sure they had been to the toilet before the lesson starts. Get your kids ready for the lesson, making sure they are sitting comfortably. If you are also working at the same time, make sure to keep an eye on them. They may need your encouragement to work with their teachers online. If there is any distraction, please avoid and make precautionary actions. Our next is the most important of all. Prepare your child for the class or their online session. For younger children, make sure they had been to toilet before the lesson starts. Get your kids ready for the lesson, making sure they are sitting comfortably. If you're also working at the same time, make sure to keep an eye on them. They may need encouragement to work with their teachers online. Avoid any kind of distractions. At the end of the day, ask your child, how was their day? What they have done and learned on that day. It's a good experience for them to share what they have been in and what they have learned. If required, help them to learn the language used in the sessions. You may ask in an interesting way, maybe by quiz, storytelling, or any other activity like show and tell, etc. To make your child's routine more interesting and interactive, you may pretend to be a student and let your child be your teacher. You'll see how proud they are that they can teach you something. Check their homework regularly. Check that they do homework that teacher has sent on time. Make sure to motivate and encourage them. Make sure you sit with your child and enjoy the activities like singing, rhyme, storytelling, etc. Coming to our next and very important, involve your children in the preparation of the class. Praise them for the small efforts they are doing. Empathize with teachers and support them. It's challenging for teachers too to teach online, especially younger children. Let them know what children are enjoying the most so that they can plan accordingly. Please motivate and do not bribe your child to sit for the class. Rather talk about the positive things like they can meet and see their friends in online sessions. Having gala time during co-curricular activities too. The comfort of the child is also very important. Make your child sit as much as he or she can. Don't push or stress out and move towards the duration slowly. If they can happily sit for first half an hour, please let it be like that and gradually move towards the whole class duration. The gist of all is communication is very important, comfortable space and routine, organization of stuff required and schedule, and the most important is motivation, positive vibes. In the end, I would say take it slow, take one day at a time, and that's it. We hope this video has helped and that you use these tips with your children at home. Stay safe. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.